Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to add the widget to our home screen, we should hold for a while our screen with a finger or with the just pen. Here, then you'll see here widgets icon, tap on this icon and you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the Google widget. We got 5 different types of the widgets here. Just to add it to your home screen, you should just hold and drag it by this way. To move widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it for a while and after that just drag it, for example, to the left or to the right side. And to resize it from your on your home screen, you should just hold it and then you could make it bigger or smaller. To remove the widget from your home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.